this is Mark Remke with Ninjas in Nature and Pathways Dojo. The ancient ninja tool for this level is the Hanbo, the half staff. And so you can see I have two different Hanbos here. If I line them up on the bottom, you'll notice they're varying heights. So typically a Hanbo is about 3 feet, and it's half of a 6-foot Rokushaku bow, which is the big bow staff that you see people have. And this one is a little bigger, and it's okay. There might be some that are even a little bit smaller. It depends on the person's height. You want it to be around your waist height. If it goes over it, you should be able to just pick it up and use it anyway. So it's fun to play with different weapons, different thicknesses, different lengths. Some that you make on your own in nature will feel a lot different than the ones that are processed and sanded down and have all the varnishes and things on them as well. So it's fun to play with different ones, and just check out the Hanbo. When you guys make it, you'll have a different connection to that Hanbo than you would if you just went out and bought one in the store. It's a special thing when you learn how to make your own weapons, and that's really what the ninjas of the ancient times did as well. Is they went out to nature, collected their own supplies, and then made their own gear. So you're actually doing it the authentic way when you're doing it that way. So good luck finding your stick for your Hanbo, and I can't wait to see pictures of what you guys are sending in with those. I love seeing what people create, and it'll feel good to have your own Hanbo that you made. So good luck with that, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hey, this is Ken. The first thing you're going to do is to make what is called a Hanbo. This is otherwise known as a half staff, and it is about waist high. So find your hip bone on your side, and that's as long as you're going to want to make it. You're going to want it to be approximately about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, no more, diameter. You're going to want to peel the bark off so it's nice and smooth. You're going to be working with knives. You're going to want a nice straight piece of wood. You're going to want a hardwood, so you're going to want to do a little research. What are the hardwoods around you? Things like pine, they break easily. Things like oak, that's a hardwood. Maple's another kind of hardwood. But again, do a little research. Figure out what are the hardwoods around you. I recommend that when you get to this level of woodworking to start using sandpaper to make it nice and smooth, because we're going to show you some striking techniques where you're going to be sliding your hand up and down the Hanbo. So you're going to want to make sure you're not going to get splinters. If you don't have sandpaper, the original sandpaper was sandstones or sedimentary rocks, or just go find a rock that can work that's kind of rough on the edge. You can use that. I highly recommend that. So, all right, this is a fun one. Go out there and start looking for a Hanbo.